Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a soothing cuticle repair oil. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are creating this soothing repair cuticle oil. The cuticle is the skin around the nails, which quite often gets dry and cracked. So this cuticle oil contains some ceramides for skin repair and an active to help soothe that skin when it does get dry and cracked. We're using some natural oils and some really light skin feel emollients so that we have a dry finish after we've applied it to the skin. Cuticle oils are designed to nourish the cuticle, which is the skin surrounding the nail rather than the nail itself. Without enough lipids and moisture, cuticles dry out and crack, which can lead to irritation and damage to the nail as it grows. I'm using squalane as the base of the cuticle oil because it closely mimics the skin's natural lipids, as it absorbs quickly and conditions without leaving a greasy film. Squalane helps to reduce water loss and restore moisture into dry, cracked cuticles while improving the overall skin feel. It's also highly stable, meaning it won't oxidize easily and works well as a carrier for lipophilic actives. To that, I will add some jojoba, almond, and avocado oils. Similarly to squalane, jojoba oil closely mimics skin's natural skin lipid, better absorption, while almond and avocado oils are rich in fatty acids and help to condition dry cuticles, reduce cracking, and support a healthy barrier. I'm going to gently heat those to 75 degrees before adding some ceramides. Once the lipids have reached 75 degrees, we can add the repair ceramides. I'm using Ceramide 2, which helps to retain moisture on the skin, keeping it soft and smooth. This supports faster repair of the skin barrier and makes the skin more resistant to external damage. Once the ceramides have dissolved in the lipids, you can cool the formula down to below 40 degrees before adding in the heat-sensitive material. Now that the formula is below 40 degrees, I will add in a natural-based volatile lipid. I'm using this to create some dry emollients so that the cuticle oil doesn't feel heavy or greasy on the hands. And this is a soothing active. I'm using Sim Relief 100, which is a blend of bisabolol and ginger extract that reduces redness and skin reactivity that we can sometimes experience when we have cracked, dry cuticles. And finally, I'm finishing off with some essential oils. I'm using just a touch of lavender and frankincense oil and some antioxidant to protect the plant oils in my formula from oxidation. Then you can just set that aside to cool completely before pouring off. See? And that's how easy it is to make a soothing cuticle repair oil. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!